Okay, so in today's episode of Bust Out Another 1,000, we were at Lake of the Ozarks for a week. We got back, we're wiping the boat down, and as you can see, there's a lot of waves down there, and it appears our fuel vent got busted off along one of the docks. So anyhow, let's see what it takes to get this fixed. Okay, I successfully got this removed. Access will probably be the most difficult part of this repair process. The fuel vent line actually attaches behind this speaker. So I had my wife come in here, she reached up underneath and kept that thing held into position. Then I grabbed a pair of channel locks and was able to get this off. I thought I might have to actually put some grooves in here and get it off with a big screwdriver or something, but I got it out. And then this is only like a $15 part. I found what looks to be exactly what I had made from Atwood out on Amazon. So I just ordered that. I'll put the link for it below, but there's a whole bunch of these out there. And even if it's not exactly what I need, I'm hoping I can just screw it right into that one. But if it's different, then all I'll need to do is take the hose clamp off and insert the whole new assembly. The one I did buy is for a 5/8 inch inside diameter fuel line, and that's what that is. Okay, just a quick shot of the outside of the boat. As you can see, there's a small chip in the gel coat here. I assume that happened when this got sheared off, so I'll just hit that with a little bit of sandpaper and then polish it out, and hopefully it'll look as good as new. But anyhow, I'll hopefully get this wrapped up tomorrow when the new part arrives. So I did real quickly just hit this with a little bit of fine sandpaper and got the polisher and buffer out, and it looks really nice. So yeah, I do have some videos on gel coat repair. I'll link those in, but I didn't use any filler here. It was so minor, I just sanded it out a little bit. All right, here's what arrived from Amazon. It's an Atwood fuel vent, and yeah, you get the new vent, new washer, and this actually matches up exactly with what's at the end of my fuel hose. So I think I'm just gonna leave the old one on there and screw that directly into it. Once again, this attaches to a 5/8 inch fuel line, and the diameter of this is actually 3/4 of an inch. The hole in the side of my boat is 3/4 of an inch. Yeah, and there's the old one. They match up perfectly. Okay, so there's the hole in the boat. This fits in perfectly, and I'm going to get my wife inside there and just screw that into the old fitting. Okay, so it's looking back to as good as new. Yeah, I just had the wife get inside the boat, and she held on to the other end here, and I screwed it through, and yeah, it looks really nice. These do come in different colors. I could have got black, and there's different sizes if you do have possibly a different size fuel line or hole in the side of your boat. So anyhow, yeah, instead of going to the dealer and spending a bunch of money, this is another example of a real simple quick fix you can do at home.